Now we have entered a new era where making money is as simple as clicking a few buttons. Wouldn't it be nice if you can live life at your own terms, do what you want, travel to wherever you want, and just buy whatever you want? Those are the same questions that I used to ask myself as well. Now there are 20-year-olds out there just like me who are taking advantage of this digital economy to get paid as much as doctors every single month without having any prior work experience. So today I'm going to show you everything you need to know to go from zero to making 6 figures from trading. And the best part is you don't need a large sum of capital or spend hours upon hours on the charts. I started trading with less than $100 in my bank account, so anyone can start. Literally anyone, whether you are a student or you are working a 9-to-5 job. People have this misconception that being a trader means you have to look at charts the whole day. Nowadays, I only spend about 30 minutes or less on the charts every single day, and I trade for about a total of 4 hours a week. This is exactly why I have so much freedom with my life. Now, the first thing I want to mention is that if you have failed at trading in the past, it is not your fault. There's a lot of information out there and it can be quite confusing. Majority of the trading advice doesn't even make you money, and this information overload is preventing you from success. If you have been concerned in the past that you just can't succeed with trading, I want to reassure you and put those fears to rest. You can do this. You just need the right person to teach you. Now, the big banks want you to think that you need a lot of money or some fancy college degree to become successful at trading. I'm here to tell you that they are wrong. They have their own reasons for wanting you to think that, but it's not true. If you ever thought that the government and the banks actually want you to fail, you are probably right, because they don't benefit from you succeeding. They want to keep you poor, they want to keep you in debt and in need so you can always depend on them. The difference with me is that I actually care about your success and truly want to see you living your dream life. So that's what I'm here for. I know you want to live your dream life and provide for your family, and I want to show you how to make that happen during this entire lesson. My goal for this presentation is to help 2 types of people. For those who are beginners, you will get to learn everything you need to know to start trading. And for my more experienced traders who have been in the market for a while now, you will learn how to make more money from trading and how to stop losing and become profitable faster. For everything that I'm about to show you today, I want you to know that I'm speaking from experience. My name is Brett Goh, or you might know me as the Trading Geek, and I've been trading since 2020, and I've made over 6 figures from trading myself, and I've literally shown my live withdrawal on YouTube multiple times. I have a YouTube channel with over 400,000 subscribers and over 100 videos on trading, and I've also coached multiple students, some of which have went on to become profitable traders themselves who are making thousands of dollars every month consistently. So let's just say I know my shit. Now, this is one of my students who have graduated from my mentorship program. Her name is Ease, and she's a fitness influencer on Instagram. And she messaged me recently telling me that she has made over £6,000 in just a span of 1 week from trading, which is absolutely insane. So if you watch till the end of this class, I will show you how to get the exact trading system that she is using to make this much profits. Now, I know there are distractions all around you, but this strategy that I'm about to show you is potentially gonna change your life. And I don't want you to miss a single crucial step, so please make a commitment to stay focused. Can you do that for yourself? Close your Instagram or TikTok, stop reading the comments on this video, give me your complete attention, and you might even want to grab a pen and paper to take down some notes. So for the next 40 minutes or so, this is exactly what you will learn. Secret number 1, the most profitable high income skill in this era. Why do I choose Forex trading over any other online money making methods? Secret number 2, reframe your mind for trading success. You need to delete all the useless knowledge that you have learned so far and start learning valuable trading wisdom that will actually help you out on your trading journey. Secret number 3, how to master trading in the next 90 days. You can get started with literally less than $100 and little to no risk. And last but not least, I'm going to share with you my number 1 trading hack, and you can literally get to copy the exact system that I use to extract profits from the market. So what's the most profitable high income skill in this era? By now, you should know that it is trading. Now, that's me in Thailand, living the digital nomad lifestyle, a lifestyle that many traders can only dream of. There I was, sitting on the beach with a beautiful sunset in the background, and at that moment, I remember I thought to myself, damn, I'm so grateful for this life. This is why I've been working so hard for. Now, I don't want you to just dream of this lifestyle. I want you to actually experience it yourself. So why become a day trader? Because you get access to freedom, time freedom. Day trading is flexible, which means you can trade for a few hours and then do whatever you want for the rest of your day, be it spend time with family or work out. Location freedom. Day trading can be done in anywhere in the world, which means you can be sitting on a beach in Bali and then traveling around Europe the next month and even visit the mesmerizing Lake Como in Italy. Financial freedom. When you are working a regular job like a clerk or an office job, you are given a fixed monthly salary. In day trading, there is no cap to the amount of money you can potentially make. In trading, you don't get paid by the amounts of hours you work. You get paid for your decisions. However, there's one condition. Like I said in the first video of this series, 90% of traders fail. These are the things that only the top 10% of traders get to enjoy. Now, the next question you might have is, what should you trade? Forex, stocks, options, or crypto? Now, I have tried trading all of them and I've found Forex trading to be the most profitable. So why did I choose Forex trading? When you are trading stocks or options, the market is only open for 8 hours on weekdays. On the other hand, the Forex market is open 24 hours from Monday till Friday. This means that you can trade at any time you want. It doesn't matter what time is your full-time job. You will always have the time to trade. If you are working a 9 to 5, you can trade from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. If you are still studying in school, you can trade during the times where you are more free, like during your holidays. Forex move based on economic and business fundamentals, such as inflation, interest rates, production, etc. These things don't change so quickly, so the value of the assets doesn't change that quickly either. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies have no such fundamentals. The only thing moving them is investor sentiment, like greed and fear. And that's a bad thing because sentiment can change in a flash. 1 minute, Bitcoin could be going to the moon, and the next minute it could be going to shit. Now, these are the main reasons why I choose to trade Forex. The Forex market is the most liquid market in the world. This means that there is always a large number of buyers and sellers looking to make a trade. The high liquidity in Forex means that transactions can be completed quickly and easily. So the transaction costs are often very low. So you don't need to pay like a crazy amount of commission fees to the brokers. And like I mentioned just now, the Forex market is a 24-hour market, which means you can trade at any time you want. You can easily start Forex trading with a small capital because there is leverage in Forex trading. Leverage allows you to make more money from trading with a limited amount of capital. A lot of people have misconceptions when it comes to trading. These misconceptions are actually limiting beliefs that are holding you back from trading success, holding you back from living your dream life. Trading is risky. When I first started investing in stocks, I was only 17 years old. That was the age where I bought my first stock, and I still remember it was Apple stock, and it was at $80. I still remember how happy I was, and I thought to myself that, oh, I'm gonna get rich and become a millionaire before 30. I wasn't even old enough to open a brokerage account. And coming from a traditional Asian family, my parents told me that it was extremely risky and I shouldn't play with stocks. But back then, I was reading a lot of finance and self-improvement books, and I came across this beautiful quote: risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. So the more you know about that particular subject, the less risky it will be. So I went ahead and studied everything I needed to know about investing, about trading, how to analyze the charts, how to react to the economic news. I read books and watched YouTube videos. And then once I'd done my research, I started investing more money into growth and innovation stocks like Tesla and Square. So in my first year in the stock market, I actually managed to outperform the market with my portfolio, surprisingly. As you can see right here, my portfolio returns was about 52.4%, while the index was only 48.2%. Yeah, this might be just pure luck, alright? So if you don't take risks, you will always work for someone who does. Just think about it for a minute. If no one took any risks and everyone played it safe by working a 9-to-5 job, there'll be no great companies like Facebook or Google. These companies are created because the founders went ahead and took risks, and in return, they got their reward. No risk, no reward. It's as simple as that. When it comes to trading, there will always be a type of risk called market risk. At any point of time, anything can happen in the world. It could be World War III or another pandemic. All of these things are unpredictable and they affect the market. So yes, 100% there will always be risks. But you can reduce risk by learning everything there is to know on trading. Develop an edge that gives you a higher probability of winning. Oh, I have a full-time job. I'm working a 9-to-5. I'm still studying in school. Where got time to trade? What if I tell you that all you need is 30 minutes per day to generate consistent profits from the market? People think that to succeed in trading, you need to stare at the charts all day, and that's just not true. Trading gives me the freedom to work whenever I want and wherever I want. So when I don't feel like trading, maybe I could be facing some family problems, I'm not going to trade. As simple as that. So right now, I'm only spending about 30 to 60 minutes per day on the charts, analyzing the charts. And most of the days when there is no opportunity, I don't even trade at all. However, back when I was still learning how to trade, I was actually working a 9-to-5 office job. At the same time, my job was to help to calculate and compute the property tax for big companies in Singapore. And it was just like a boring ass desk-bound job, and I hated every single second of being a corporate slave. So my routine was that I'll wake up at around 7 AM, go to my office and start working with my laptop. And whenever I have free time, like during lunch, I would study trading. And then I will end work at around 6 PM and take the train for about 1 hour, so I'll reach home at around 7 PM. Guess what I did when I reached home? Do I just chill on the couch, watch Netflix and play video games? Of course not. I studied how to trade Forex. I was reading trading books, watching online courses, taking down notes and practicing using a demo account. No matter how tired I was from my 9-to-5 job, I make sure that I put in the work, put in the time to study how to trade day in, day out. So from around 7 PM to 12 AM, I pretty much just studied trading and just practice how to analyze the charts using price action. And I did this straight for 6 months. Like for 6 months straight, this is my routine. And now looking back, I'm so goddamn glad that I did that, because all my hard work has finally paid off in the end. And my life changed forever because of these 6 months. Last time I had to spend 6 hours per day studying how to trade, maybe 2-3 hours analyzing the charts. And right now I'm only spending like 30 minutes on trading per day, which is something that I'm very, very grateful for. So wake up earlier to study trading and analyze the charts. Stop mindlessly scrolling social media like TikTok and Instagram, and stop watching entertainment that does not serve any purpose or any help to your life at all. If trading is a priority to you, you will have the time to trade. You need a large sum of money to start trading. I used to think that I need at least $10,000 to start trading Forex, but that is not true. I started trading with less than $100 in my bank account. And there was this one time where I was lucky enough to turn $500 into $9,000 in 3 days. And I literally documented like the entire trading journey on YouTube and Instagram. So you can go ahead and find that video if you want. But basically in this video, I explained my thought process and how I did it. And also show you the proof that it is actually a live account. As you can see, this is my broker statement for third day. On the third day itself, the third day alone, I managed to make over $7,700, which brought my entire account value up to like $9,000 in total. And I started off with $500, guys. And let's look at Steph. After joining my program for just 1 day, Steph managed to double his small account of like just with $500 and made over another $500 in profit while trading gold, bring his entire account from $500 to $1,000 in just 1 day. The point here is, if I can do it, if Steph can do it, you guys can do it too. With the right knowledge and the skill set, you will be able to generate consistent profits from the market like I am now. But please guys, do not go ahead and start depositing a few $100 and try to flip it to $10,000 if you are a beginner. You will 100% blow your account and lose all the money that you deposited. I'm able to do it because I not only got the right strategy, but also the experience and the knowledge in the market. Now, if you want to know the exact strategy on how I did it, watch till the end. Now, when it comes to trading, you need money to make money. If you have more money in your trading account, then you can risk more money, and in return, you will get much more profits. So if you don't want to lose like too much of your hard-earned money, you can consider getting funded accounts. A funded trading account with a prop firm is basically an agreement where the prop trading firm will offer you capital to trade with, and in return, you will have to give them a portion of your total profits. But in order to get funded, you have to go through like a 2-step process to actually like prove your trading skills, prove that you are competent enough to pass the challenge, and it is not easy at all. Which is why I'm going to share with you a 4-step framework that will help you master trading and potentially get funded soon. And at the end of this Roadmap to Mastery series, like I said, I will give away $200,000 funded accounts to 2 lucky winners. And I will announce this soon, so if you want to participate in this giveaway, make sure you follow me on all my social medias to stay updated on this. Link in the description. Now here's another one of my students called Bushan, who managed to grow his trading account by 10 times after my coaching. He managed to grow a small account of $100 to $1,000. Once again, he has proved to us that you don't need a large sum of money to start trading. And if you want to learn how he did it, keep watching. Oh, trading is risky. I don't have the time to trade. You need a large sum of money to trade. All these are excuses. Excuses that are preventing you from living your dream life. I know exactly how you feel because I was in your exact position a few years ago. I was scared to start trading as well. I thought to myself, oh, what if I ended up losing all my life savings? When you make excuses just like this, you prevent yourself from living your full potential. Whatever your excuse is, just understand that you will never get to where you truly want to be if you continue making excuses. It's up to you whether you let these excuses take over you or not. The question is, what will you do? Next, I'm going to show you the exact steps you can start taking to master trading in the next 90 days. How to trade for a living so that you can eventually quit your full-time job. These are the 3 pillars of trading that you must master if you want to become a successful and profitable trader. I call it the 3 M's: method, money management, and mindset. Now let's go through each one of them. Method is how you trade the market. There are 2 methods where you can use to determine whether you should buy or sell. Technical analysis. This is basically analyzing the charts to determine whether you should buy or sell using tools like trading indicators, trend lines, support and resistance levels, and candlestick patterns. Fundamental analysis is basically the study of economic news and announcements that will affect the economy. The state of the country's economy will determine the strength of the country's currency. So if the economy is good, the currency value is going to go up. If the economy is bad, currency value is going to go down. Money management is basically how you manage your risk and reward. You must understand that as traders, our goal is to take the trades which will give us the lowest risk and the highest reward. So you need to figure out how much money are you risking per trade. What is your risk to reward ratio? What's the maximum drawdown you can accept in your trading account? Money management will allow you to minimize your losses and maximize your profits so you can be profitable in the long run. The final M is mindset. When you are trading with your hard-earned money, you're going to experience a lot of emotions like fear, greed, FOMO, doubts, and all these emotions will cause you to make bad trading decisions. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. This means that if you trade based on your emotions, you will lose money. Just like I mentioned earlier on, in trading, you don't get paid by your time. You get paid by your decisions. So you need to control your emotions so you can make the correct, the rational decisions that will allow you to make profitable trades. Now, everything begins or ends with your trading mindset. If you are not in a proper trading mindset, you won't be able to make money on a consistent basis. Remember, at the end of the day, you cannot control the market. You can't control how much money you will make today or next week, but there is one thing that you can control, and that is yourself. You can control how you react to what the market is actually showing you. You can control whether you follow your trading plan or not. Now, all 3 M's are equally important, and these 3 pillars will become the backbone of your trading plan. This is like a chair with 3 legs. If you remove one of them, you will fall and hurt yourself, or in this case, your trading account. This means that you need to master all 3 pillars if you want to become a successful trader. A diet won't help you unless you stick to it. You won't be profitable in trading unless you follow your money management rules and you actually stick to your winning trading strategy. Money management can't help you unless you have a winning trading strategy that is backed up by a proven, profitable track record. And there's no trading strategy that can make up for poor money management. You can have the best trading strategy in the world that works 90% of the time, but still lose money because you don't practice proper money management. Example, when you win, you make $50, but when you lose $1,000. Even with a 90% win rate, meaning you win 9 out of 10 trades, one loss can still wipe out all the profits that you made from those 9 winning trades. Now, I'm going to teach you the 4-step framework you can use to master trading. And you can see, it clearly worked for another one of my students called Marcel. He used this exact framework and in return, the market rewarded him for his discipline. Now, these are the 4 steps that you need to take to master trading. As you can see, it's a loop, it's a cycle. First, you start learning everything you need to know about trading. Then, practice and apply whatever you have learned. After you have practiced enough and you have become confident and proficient at your trading abilities, this is when you start depositing real money into your trading account and start trading live account. As you trade, you will need to journal and record down your trades so that you can actually learn from your mistakes, learn from your losses, and become a better trader. And the whole process repeats itself. Trading is a never-ending journey. You should always be learning and improving. Trading is like riding a bike. Once you mastered it, no one else can take it from you. Now let's go through step by step. There are 4 ways that you can learn trading. Number 1, watch free YouTube videos and webinars to learn trading strategies and techniques. Number 2, read books about Forex trading to gain a better understanding of the market. Number 3, get a mentor to shorten your learning curve. Number 4, invest in a high quality trading course that actually teaches you everything about trading. Now, the key to trading success is to follow someone who is already successful at trading. There is no need to reinvent the wheel and come up with your own trading system. If it has worked for someone else in the past, it's most likely going to work for you too. So ideally, you want to learn from someone who knows what he's doing and is already good at trading. Now, there are a lot of free information out there on YouTube and the internet to learn from. And it can be quite overwhelming because there are thousands of trading strategies out there and you do not know which one to pick. And everything is just so messy and all over the place and you don't know where to start. Which is why I would recommend you to start binge watching my free trading courses playlist on YouTube to learn everything you need to know about price action trading. You'll be able to learn how to use tools like support and resistance levels, supply and demand zones, candlesticks, volume and Fibonacci to determine whether you should buy or sell and where to exit the trade. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. The people you spend the most time with shape who you are. They determine what conversations dominate your attention. They affect what attitudes and behaviors you are regularly exposed to. Eventually, you will start to think like them and behave like them. That's why I would recommend you to join an online trading community to learn from other traders and share ideas with each others. I have a Discord server named the Trading Tribe where you can join over 40,000 members and talk to other like-minded traders who want to learn just like you. Every tribe member has either achieved or is working towards the ultimate goal of becoming a successful trader just like you. So like I said, there are a shit ton of nice people in my Discord server that will be more than happy to help you out on your trading journey. You can post your chart setups, ask questions, and even see other people's ideas and strategies and see what works for them. So if you want to become part of my tribe, click the link in the description and join for free. Remember, trading can get lonely. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Surround yourself with successful traders and you too will become successful. If you want to learn exactly how I trade and copy my highly profitable trading system, watch till the end of this class. Valor managed to use my trading system and got funded by FTMO. He then used that funded account and made over 18.5k in total profits. And like I said, watch to the end and I'll show you how you can copy my exact system so you can make profits just like this. Now, after you have learned everything about trading, it is finally time for you to apply whatever you have learned and start practicing so you can actually become good at trading. So this is where you can use Forex trading tools like TradingView to practice trading and test out all your trading strategies. And also make sure you open a demo account on MetaTrader 4 and start trading with virtual money to practice without risking real money. And this is what we call front testing. Or you can also use backtesting software like Forex Tester 5 or Bar Replay 2 on TradingView to practice with historical market data. This is what we call backtesting. If you want to win, learn to lose. This stage is where you are allowed to fail. Fail so you can learn. Experiment with different trading strategies and then narrow down to one that works best for you. Find out whether you are a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader. When I first started out, I was just like you. I hated my job and I wanted to quit so damn badly. Back then, I was working as a busboy, so I had to serve the customers with alcohol and food. And I would always be working until like 2 AM and then I would have to go home smelling like alcohol and freaking junk food. I was constantly looked down by customers and I would always get scolded by the full-timers there, the supervisors. And I just hated how broke I was and I wanted to quit ASAP. Like, I fucking hated my job. And that is why I only spent about 1 month trading on the demo account and that was it. The next week, I proceeded to opening a live account and I deposited $500 in their account, and within just a few days I blew that $500 account. And at that point of time, $500 means a lot to me. So if I had to start over, I would spend much more time on trading a demo account. So take your time on trading demo. After you have a consistently profitable track record on demo account, you are ready to start trading live. Remember, you should only start trading a live account when you have found a successful strategy and you have done through lots of backtesting and you have learned how to control your emotions and practice proper risk management. A lot of new traders jump straight to trading a live account and end up losing a shit ton of money that they shouldn't have. Do not rush the process. Once you are ready, set up a trading account with a reputable broker and start trading live. I recommend you to start with a small amount of capital and gradually increase it as you gain much more experience. Now, when you are trading, you will experience lots of emotions like I mentioned earlier on, and all of these emotions will cause you to make bad decisions and you will lose money if you let these emotions control you. So how you can prevent this is actually by creating a trading plan. A trading plan is a set of guidelines that define your trading. You need to include these 7 things inside your trading plan. Number 1, what is your time frame? What markets are you trading? How much are you risking on each trade? What are the conditions of your trading setups? How will you enter your trade? Will it be a limit, stop, or market order? And where is your stop loss? And where is your profit target? Now, I used to search for the perfect trading strategy that works all the time. So after I lose a trade, I will go on to find the next trading strategy. And this mistake has cost me a lot of money because I didn't know what worked. My trading was quite inconsistent. I'll win some money and then lose some money. That was my weakness, hopping from one strategy to the next. In reality, there is no such thing as a perfect trading strategy that works all the time. But how did I realize my mistake? Because I recorded my trades in my trading journal and I realized that my trading setups are always different. 1 minute I'll be trading breakouts and another minute I'll be trading pullbacks. And that's the problem. I couldn't pinpoint what worked and what didn't because my strategies were always changing. This is why having a trading journal is so important. It allows you to learn from your mistake and that itself will prevent you from losing money. So record down your trades. Keep a trading journal to track your progress and learn from your mistakes. And you can download the Winning Trading Journal to help you with this, link in the description. Keep track of all your trades and analyze your performance. Continuously learn and adapt your trading strategies if needed. Keep a trading diary where you can record down your thoughts and feelings before, during, and after each trade, as well as any lessons that you have learned. Now, you can even keep a visual record of your trades using screenshots of your charts and trade history. What I even like to do is to literally screen record my entire trading setup and talk through my entire thought process and what went wrong and what went right, so that I can like keep it somewhere so that I can learn in the future. Now the question is, how do you get profits just like this, like all these people who I showed you throughout this entire video? The first option is to take all this information I have given you today and figure it all out by yourself. This was the path I took 3 years ago. I went through lots of trials and tribulations, lost over $10,000, blew multiple accounts because I thought that I could do everything by myself. If you choose this option, understand that you'll waste valuable months or even years trying to figure out everything on your own. You will lose more money trading and pay more market tuition. You will also miss out on all the extra money you could have made if you're starting out on the right way from the get-go. And there's also going to be a higher chance of quitting if you get stuck. Which is why I created the Trading Blueprint, which is a program where I take you by your hand and teach you exactly every single thing I know about trading, so you can go from zero to making over $100,000 from trading in record time. Which brings me to the second option, which is join the program with the best success stories in the industry. Every single success story you've seen during this entire video has gone through my programs and achieved the profits using the price action trading strategies I have taught them. Inside the Trading Blueprint, we take complete beginners with no prior knowledge or experience on trading and help you master trading from scratch, create a high win rate trading strategy that generates consistent profits, and also teach you my entire trading strategy from the start till the end. So if you just got a few minutes, let's look at what's inside the Trading Blueprint. First of all, understand that the Trading Blueprint is not just a course. It is the best learning experience that is focused on getting you results, helping you become profitable as fast as possible. The Trading Blueprint course has a lot of training videos that are laid out in a very organized step-by-step process to teach you everything you need to know, no matter what experience level you are, in order to get you to a point of trading success. This program is split into 9 phases. These 9 phases will help you go from a complete beginner to an advanced trader. Phase 1 is the beginner's guide. Right, so this is where you start your trading journey by first learning the basics of the Forex trading, right? Things like how you make money in Forex, what is Forex trading, basically an introduction to Forex trading. Next, you got phase 2, which is more on technical analysis. Here's where you learn how to analyze the charts using price action tools like candlestick patterns, Fibonacci, key levels, trend lines, and all these technical tools. Next, we move on to phase 3, where I literally show you how I personally trade. It's like an in-depth, a few part 60 minutes explanation of everything about my highly profitable trading strategy from top to bottom. Like literally, I will show you everything. I'm literally opening my hands up to you. And then phase 4, these are the things to know. You can learn some of my best secrets and hacks I use to increase my trading performance. And phase 5, scalping and swing trading. Here's where I show you my best scalping and swing trading strategies, which are back-tested and proven to work. So it doesn't matter if you are intraday trader, swing trader, or a scalper, you will all benefit from this course. Also, phase 6, fundamental analysis. Here's where you learn how to trade the news, how to take advantage of all these economic news and announcements so that you can make the correct trading decisions. Phase 7, risk management. This is where you learn to minimize losses and maximize profits using risk management techniques that is only used by professional traders. Phase 8, advanced secrets. Here's where you learn how to trade like the top 1%. And this is for like the advanced traders who want to take their trading to the next level. Here you learn like the secrets used by legit the top 1% of traders that I have never ever really reviewed on my YouTube channel or anywhere else. And lastly, phase 9, we got trading psychology. This is where you develop the proper mindset of a profitable trader so you can conquer emotions like fear, greed, doubt, and FOMO, right? And if you can really master this section, right, 100%, you're gonna have a higher chance of becoming profitable. Now, I believe that the Trading Blueprint is hands down the best trading course right now in this industry, but don't just take my words for it. Here are some feedback from the students who have bought the trading course themselves. You can pause this video and read them yourself. Here's more feedback once again. But my favorite one is this. Isaac is a 15-year-old teenager from New Zealand and he has chosen to invest in himself at such a young age. At that age, I was busy playing video games until 2 AM. And he mentioned in this feedback that no one explains Forex as well as I do. And that is the best part about my teaching. I explain everything, every complicated trading concept in a way where even a 5-year-old can understand and that alone is why you should learn from me. And after taking the course, Isaac managed to apply whatever he has learned from the course and go on to win 6 out of 8 trades that he took. Our program is focused on helping our students become profitable fast. So we had to go the extra mile. We even included trading tools to guide you and help you become a better trader so you can make more profits from trading. Like I mentioned earlier, the key to becoming successful at trading is to follow traders who are already successful. This means that you need to follow how they think and their day-to-day habits. The habits they do every single day to ensure consistent profits from the market. So I invented the Profits Matrix. The Profits Matrix is a habit tracker that will help you do just that. Follow all the professional traders' habits so you can achieve all your trading goals and reach your fullest potential as a trader. Emotions are why 90% of traders lose. That's why you have to learn to identify these emotions so you can prevent them from taking control over you and your trading account. You can use the rational framework to map your emotional patterns and record down your trades. This will help you gain like a better understanding of your emotions and yourself, and this alone will just translate to more profits. And also the Victorious Trading Plan, which is basically like a custom winning trading plan template that is designed for you so you can craft out your own version and rely on it before every trading day. Now that's not the end. As the time passes, I will still be releasing more trading tools to help you guys out. Like I said, my main purpose with the trading blueprint is to transform you from complete beginner to highly profitable traders. So yes, if you get a trading blueprint, you will also get useful trading tools. Since the dawn of time, humans have always hunted in tribes. We are more powerful when we work as a team, which is why I created the Profits Mastermind. The Profits Mastermind is an ultra exclusive private community built for traders to reach their fullest potential. Inside the Profits Mastermind, you will be able to do the following things: meet and network with other traders, find accountability partners, get your questions answered, complete trading challenges, discuss trade setups and strategies, and also celebrate your wins with each other. Just look at how supportive this community is. Everyone is kind, friendly, and just helping each other to become profitable traders. So yes, you will get access to the Profits Mastermind community as well. So like I mentioned, you will also get access to my best trading strategies on scalping, swing trading, and intraday trading. These are the trading strategies that has made me over 6 figures and also make my students consistent profits. And also, like I said, how I personally trade, right? I'm literally gonna tell you guys everything, holding nothing back, showing you guys everything on how I personally trade, so you can replicate the process and you can replicate the profits as well. And also advanced trading secrets, right? Something that I have never ever really shared in public before. The trading secrets that literally the top 1% use. Now, the total value of this course is over $10,000, which is why we wanted to charge at least $1,999 at first. But we thought that that price would be too expensive and out of reach for most people. So I'm not going to charge you that. In fact, the actual price is not even half of it. We decided to make it accessible for those people who are just starting out on their trading journey because they are the ones who need it the most, which is why I'm only charging you $497. So let me repeat what you will get again. Lifetime access to the Trading Blueprint course, useful trading tools to help you become a successful trader, access to Profits Mastermind community, and ultra exclusive private community built by traders for traders. My best trading strategies, how I personally trade, and advanced trading secrets. All of this for only $497. Now, I would suggest that if you want to get lifetime access at this price, get it today, get it right now. Because in less than 48 hours from the time this video is released, the price will be increased to $697. Price will increase, and in the future, this price may even become a yearly subscription where people has to pay like this amount every single year just to continue being in the program. So at this point, you have two choices. Choice 1, do nothing. If you do nothing with the information you have learned over the last hour or so, what will you get? Absolutely nothing. Or you can choose to take a leap of faith. Be the action taker and invest in yourself so you can live your dream life in the near future. If you want to get the Trading Blueprint course, click the first link in the description. You are either good at making money or making excuses, but you can't do both. I've given you the opportunity, and now it's time for you to decide whether you want to be a bystander or someone who actually takes actions so they can change their life. Whatever your choice is, know that I will always be rooting for you, and hopefully I will see you inside the Trading Blueprint course. And as always, remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.